Hello viewers! Welcome to the last section, that is Comparative Analysis of Community versus Enterprise Edition. In this section we will use the Odoo runbot to compare Odoo versions, then we will examine the Odoo Enterprise interface, and then we will learn how to use bank integration features of Enterprise Edition. Finally, we will understand the available manufacturing application in Odoo and learn how to handle maintenance requests. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with the use of Odoo runbot to compare Odoo versions. In this video we will learn about the overview of Community and Enterprise editions. We will also see how to use the Odoo runbot to compare Odoo versions. We will launch the Odoo Community and Enterprise edition from Odoo runbot. First, let us take an overview of Community and Enterprise editions. Odoo SA does provide a quick reference sheet that summarizes at a very high-level view the differences between the two versions. You can find this quick reference at this link. While the checklist does give you a high-level view of what the differences between the various versions of Odoo are, unfortunately there is no explanation or additional details as to what each of these features provides. In order to learn more, we have to take a look at the Odoo Community and Enterprise editions side by side. Now let us use the Odoo runbot to compare Odoo versions. One consideration about comparing the Odoo Community edition to the Odoo Enterprise edition is that Odoo Enterprise requires that you pay license fees. At first you may think that makes it difficult to try Odoo Enterprise for yourself. Fortunately, there is a handy service called the Odoo runbot that will not only help you with comparing Community and Enterprise editions, but can also help you test out any version of Odoo. You can access Odoo runbot by going to the Odoo runbot link. When you first come to Odoo runbot, you are presented with a list of the Odoo community builds, starting with Odoo10. You will notice that there are branches for 8.0, 9.0 and the master branch, which is the current build that will eventually become Odoo 11. Now we are launching Odoo Community Edition from Odoo runbot. Using Odoo runbot, we can launch any of the Odoo instances by clicking on the small Quick Connect icon on the far left, which looks like a fast forward symbol. After you click the button, a new window will open. The password for all runbot installations is admin. You log into the runbot instance just like you would any version of Odoo. Now we will go back to the Odoo runbot page and open up the Enterprise edition of Odoo in a separate window. This time, however, instead of launching the Community branch, use the link at the very top labelled Odoo Enterprise. After you click the link, the runbot page will refresh and show the branches for the Enterprise version of Odoo. Now just click on the Connect button and log in to the Odoo Enterprise edition the same way you did the Community version. You should now have both Odoo Community and Odoo10 Enterprise running in separate windows on your computer, making it easy to switch back and forth and compare features. Best of all, you didn't have to provide an email, install any software, or pay any license fees. Finally, take the time to arrange the windows in a way that works best for your current workspace and monitor configuration.